Good morning, Indira Shah here. Today I'll be making the Karnataka specialty Kali dosa. Kali means empty. So this will be a spongy dosa without any masala, but a chutney to go with. So for this I have taken the dosa atta. Dosa dough is I have taken 5 glasses of rice. In that 2.5 boiled rice and 2.5 our usual cooking rice. So 5 rice and 2 urad dal and a spoon of methi and a spoon of chana dal and a spoon of tuver dal. Okay, I soak it overnight and grind them to a very fine paste. After grinding, you have to ferment it. Okay, so I have now let me add this dough to this batter. And to this add 1 scoop of rice flour. 1 scoop of rice flour. Let the scoop be full. Okay, 1 scoop of rice flour and 1 small scoop of this is gram flour, kadle hittu. Okay, kadle hittu gives a good color. And to this add sugar. Sugar is a must because this gives the color, texture and the taste. And I have already added salt, so I'll be adding a little salt. Now wash your hand well, and this batter should be mixed with your fingers without any lumps. If you want, you can add warm water. After mixing, just keep it for about 10 minutes and then I'll show you how to make the Kali dosa. Kali dosa with butter will be excellent to eat. Okay, now let us keep this for about 10 minutes. Here, this is 10 minutes of soaking after adding the gram flour and rice flour. Okay, let the consistency be like this. Now take a iron tawa, or if you are used to the non-stick, actually non-stick is not good. Try to avoid as far as possible. So I always use this iron tawa. The gas is on. Let this be heated. It's heated already. Now pour like this. Make it little thick. Kali dosa will be thick. Now add oil. And keep it covered. Keep it covered. This is 2 minutes. Let's check. See, just put this thing and see it's clean. That means this is done. I'll just show you. You should not turn it back. See here. It is so crispy. Are you able to see? Here. Adikate. Can you see? Now add a slice of butter. Add a slice of butter. Your Kali dosa is ready. This can go well with any chutney. I'll just show you again. Here. Are you able to see? Here it will be soft, but the bottom will be crisp. There are two types of kali dosa. One is very soft. Maybe I'll show you that kali dosa in my next video session. So let me just plate it and show you properly. Here my crispy yet soft set dosa is kali dosa is ready. This can be eaten with coconut chutney. In coconut chutney I have added fresh curry leaves. Curry leaves is good for overall health, so I usually add it, and I have given a nice tadka. This will be very tasty. Please try making this. Follow my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it today and press the bell button for more subscription notifications. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel with Vela, who always clicks my video and photographs. Thank you.